Hi guys, if you want to check out the Adesso Xtream S6 Bluetooth and AUX soundbar speaker 10WX2, you'll find the product link in the description below. Good sound can completely change the way you enjoy your favorite content. Whether you're watching movies, streaming music, playing games, or attending online meetings, clear and powerful audio makes every experience more enjoyable. The Adesso Xtream S6 is built to provide a noticeable improvement over the built-in speakers found in most laptops, monitors, and televisions while keeping the design compact and easy to fit into almost any setup. The first thing that stands out is its clean and modern appearance. Instead of taking up a lot of space with separate speakers, this soundbar keeps everything in one sleek unit. It fits comfortably beneath most monitors or TVs and gives your workspace or entertainment center a much cleaner look. Its lightweight construction also makes it easy to move between rooms whenever needed. Inside the Xtream S6 are dual 10-watt stereo drivers that deliver a combined output of 20 watts. That extra power creates fuller sound with improved clarity across music, movies, podcasts, and games. Voices sound more natural, instruments become more detailed, and action scenes feel more immersive than what standard built-in speakers can usually provide. One of its biggest strengths is flexible connectivity. Bluetooth support allows you to pair your smartphone, tablet, or laptop within seconds, giving you the freedom to stream music wirelessly without extra cables. The wireless connection remains stable for everyday listening and makes switching between devices quick and convenient. If you prefer a wired setup or your device doesn't support Bluetooth, the AUX input offers a dependable alternative, making the soundbar compatible with a wide range of electronics. For everyday productivity, the Xtream S6 performs exceptionally well. Video calls become easier to hear, online classes sound clearer, and presentations benefit from improved voice reproduction. When work is finished, the same speaker easily transforms into an entertainment companion for movies, television shows, music playlists, and casual gaming sessions. Gamers will appreciate the enhanced stereo separation that helps create a more engaging atmosphere. Background effects, environmental sounds, and dialogue become easier to distinguish, making gameplay feel more immersive. Movie lovers will also notice clearer conversations and a wider soundstage that adds more depth to every scene. Operating the soundbar is straightforward. The controls are simple, allowing quick volume adjustments and easy switching between Bluetooth and AUX modes without complicated menus or lengthy setup procedures. It is designed for users who want reliable performance without spending time learning complicated controls. The balanced sound signature is another highlight. High frequencies remain crisp without becoming harsh, mid-range tones are clear and detailed, and the bass adds satisfying depth for its compact size. While it isn't intended to replace a large surround sound system, it delivers an impressive listening experience that exceeds expectations for a speaker in this category. Its single-piece design also helps reduce cable clutter, creating a cleaner and more organized desk. Instead of managing multiple speakers and extra wires, you get an all-in-one audio solution that complements modern workspaces and entertainment setups alike. Compatibility is equally impressive. Whether you're connecting it to a television, desktop PC, laptop, tablet, smartphone, or other compatible audio source, the Xtream S6 adapts easily to your daily needs. That versatility makes it suitable for home offices, bedrooms, dorm rooms, and small living spaces where quality sound and efficient use of space both matter. Overall, the Adesso Xtream S6 Bluetooth and AUX soundbar speaker delivers an excellent combination of compact design, dependable connectivity, and enjoyable stereo performance. It enhances music, movies, gaming, and everyday productivity with clearer, richer audio while maintaining a clean and modern appearance. If you're looking for a practical audio upgrade that's simple to use and compatible with a variety of devices, this soundbar deserves serious consideration. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more reviews covering the latest speakers, monitors, projectors, smart home devices, and consumer electronics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.